G'day, I'm Adam Moss. I'm a water treatment specialist for Barwon Water.
Hi, my name's Rob Shaw. I'm a systems operator at Barwon Water. The Mirrabel system is the water supply for the Bannockburn region. The Mirrabel system consists of 6 reservoirs. Of those 6 reservoirs, there's 2 catchment reservoirs and 3 holding reservoirs. The capacity of our holding reservoirs is about 10,000 megalitres, and our catchment reservoirs is a similar amount. Then water is transferred from the catchment reservoirs down open channels into the holding reservoirs, and then from the holding reservoirs it is piped into the towns through the treatment plant. So water is transferred from the Bostock Reservoir down open channels into the Stony Creek reservoirs, and then it is piped from there to the Mirrabel treatment plant, and once again piped from the Mirrabel treatment plant into the basin in Milton Street in Bannockburn, where it is then pumped out to the whole Bannockburn region.
So with the treatment plant process, so we coagulate that water and then we mix, basically have some mixing methods on that, so it goes and processes the water to go and combine the solid particles out of the water. So it's taking the dirt out of the water. We bind those up to make a larger, what's called a flock. So those flock formations, we then go and use a filtration method called dissolved air flotation and filtration. So we go and float the solids up out of the water in the filter bed. We remove the solids off the filter, and then we process filter the clear water through our filter bed. From there, we go and disinfect the water and fluoridate the water, and then that goes out into clear water storage tanks, and then that goes and gets distributed into the network system out to Bannockburn, Geelong, Meredith and Lethbridge systems. Yeah, so with the filters, periodically they need to be cleaned, so we use what's called a backwash step. So that's where we put clear water, the filtered water, we basically reverse flow that through the filter bed, and that washes all the dirt and solids that are built up in those filter beds, cleans them up and gets them ready for use again. The backwash water, everything gets reprocessed on this site, so all the solids that comes out of the process, we send some of that goes out into drying beds. The clear water and the clear water from the backwash gets reprocessed and back into the head of the plant, so it goes back into the raw water feed system and gets recirculated. So we recover as much water as we can out of this process. So coagulation is the chemical process involved where we have the addition of chemical into raw water, so that it goes and binds the solids out of the raw water. So makes a small dirt particle into a larger dirt particle, and that way we can go and filter that out and treat it a lot easier than if we didn't have that step at all.